In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So in today's project, I'm going to be doing some modern snowman decor using Dollar Tree materials. So if you want to see how all of these decor pieces turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I started off this project by using one of the metal buckets from the dollar store, and the top was wrapped in rope, and so I disassembled and unraveled all of the rope from the top portion of the bucket, and I sprayed it over again with some metallic spray paint just to kind of cover up some of the imperfections. And then I grabbed some of these metal letters, and I'm basically just laying out everything to see exactly where I'm going to put everything and glue everything down. And then I use these plastic clear ornaments that I've used in the previous project to basically act as the melted snowman. So you know how when snow melts, it's clear. So it's supposed to resemble that. So for this project, I'm mixing metals, and I'm going to be using this gold 8x12 frame, I think that it is. And I'm just going to be removing the tabs, and then I'm going to be adding these metal hearts and these wooden snowman and this bamboo skewer to create another decor piece for the collection. And so the hot glue wasn't secure enough, so I decided to add some tape to the back just to make for a stronger hold. I initially wanted to squeeze the two hearts and the two snowmen on the bamboo skewer, but it was just too tight. So I ended up just doing two snowmen and then two of the metal hearts. Then I just glued everything down to this scrap piece of wood that I had in my craft stash. course, I lost some of the footage for this particular project, but basically I'm just using this metal tin that I already had that I'm using from another project, and I'm using some bamboo skewers, and I'm basically just attaching the wooden snowmen to the bamboo skewers and then adding them on some of these white styrofoam balls that I got and creating a cute little decorative piece with different snowmen at different heights. I wanted the snowmen to look like they were sitting on like a little snowbank. So for this project, I'm going to be creating a modern snowman hourglass, and I'm going to be using some of this fake foam snow, and I'm going to also be using as the base one of the little snow globes, and I'm basically just filling it up halfway or a portion of the way, and then on top of that, I'm going to be stacking a larger size clear plastic ornament, and then on top of that, I'm going to be stacking a smaller clear plastic ornament to create the look of a snowman, and then filling each part of it with the faux foam snow to create the hourglass vibe. And then I'm adding one of these metal tags that I found at the dollar store, and it's going to be basically used as the scarf for the snowman. And I'm just going to be using one of the metal tags and a couple of the twine pieces to wrap around the top part of one of the ornaments. much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.